In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat. This is not only a highly useful skill that streamlines the signing process, but it also enhances your professional efficiency whenever you need to sign documents electronically. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start on your Adobe Acrobat homepage. When you're there, you can either choose to open a previously used file or create a new one depending on what document you need to sign. If you're selecting an existing document, locate it easily by clicking on Recent in your document list. This is your go-to section for quick access to the files you've been working with most recently. Once you have your document open, the next thing to do is navigate to the e-signature options. For this, look towards the e-sign function, which should be prominently displayed within the application. You'll want to click on Add Signature. Adobe Acrobat then offers you several ways to create your digital signature. I recommend choosing Draw and Sign for a more personal touch, since this allows you to draw your signature directly onto the screen using your mouse or stylus, depending on your device. Take your time here to get your signature just right. Adobe also offers options like typing your name and using a pre-stored image. But today we're focusing on drawing your signature for authenticity and a personalized look. After you're satisfied with how your signature appears, go ahead and click on the Save option. This step not only finalizes your drawn signature, but also stores it for future use, making subsequent document signing even faster. With your signature saved, you can now place it in the appropriate location on your document. Whether you need it on a dotted line or simply next to your name, click once on the document to position your newly created digital signature. Feel free to adjust its size and orientation if necessary to make sure it looks just right and fits the intended space perfectly. And that's it! You've successfully added a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat. This process not only saves you time, but also reduces the need for printing and physically signing documents, which is a major plus for both convenience and the environment. Remember, once your signature is created and saved in Adobe Acrobat, future signings will be just a few clicks away, allowing you to focus on what's truly important, getting your work done efficiently and professionally. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.